Hello my dear crafters, so this is my second project with nail files. The first one you might remember was this one, how to make these, are very quick to make, but I came up with another one because this is quite popular in craft fairs, at least here in Portland, so I decided I'm going to make another one. So that's what this looks like, and I kind of quickly showed you when I had that tutorial. So this one is more, this one I made with very colorful, there's still papers, Christmas papers, but very bright colors. And so this one I just decided to make more like the usual colors that we have in Christmas, during Christmas, like, you know, all these plaids and greens and reds. So also very simple to make. All you need is one piece of paper that is 11 inches by 2, and you need another little one that is 4.5 by 2. So same width, 4.5, and we're going to score just here. Let me get my scoring board. You're going to score twice at on the 11th side. You're going to score in 7 3/8, which doesn't work with this one. I have to get the big one. Just a minute. Here it is. The small one doesn't work because it only goes up to 6.5. So, doing that again. Let me just zoom in so you can see really well what I'm doing. There we go. So we're going to score in 7 3/8 and 7 5/8. So you're just giving a 1/4 inch here of a distance, and what you do is you're going to score it. Let me get this out of the way because we don't need it anymore. So we're going to score, just burnish the scoring lines here, and this is what you're left with. So you have like a base here at the bottom, and what you do with this 4.5 by 2, 4.5 by 2, is you're going to, if you're using a double-sided cardstock that's very stiff, you don't even need this. You can just round the corners here and just, that's it. But this one, it's not, it's kind of flimsy, so I wanted to make sure that it was hard enough. You know, you want it to be sturdy. So what you do is this, let me show you what that is. It's this part here. So you just make sure to align it to the top here, like that. Align it to the top, and that's it. Just press it down. It's a very simple project to make, great to mass produce for Christmas stockings, fillers, and so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut. You see that there is a cut here. That's what I use to make the ribbon. If you don't want to do this, that's fine. You just leave it as is, like this, and that's absolutely fine too. I just think it adds something. It's a nice detail, and I use my, if you have the envelope punch board, it will be the same. I have this 3-in-1 by We Are Memory Keepers, and how you do this is you're going to place this side here at 2.25, making sure, here's a very important detail, you have to make sure that this is straight, not like this, okay? So this has to stay straight because that's how you're going to glue it. So making sure it's straight, go to 1.25 here, make sure that this is straight, and you just punch it, turn it around, do the same thing, 2.25, making sure it's straight, and you punch it again. So you have that. If you don't have this punch board, I have the link below to everything I'm using, but you can honestly, guys, just get your snippets, just like kind of draw a line with a pencil, and just use your scissors and do this like a triangle. Easy, 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 not complicated at all. I just think that it looks nice. So all you need to do now is glue it. You're going to put glue all over here, all the way here. Don't close this because it's going in, so this needs to be free. So just on the sides, that's what I'm doing now. Very thin layer on both sides, of course. And then you're just going to hold it. What I do is I just hold it here to keep it in place. Make sure this is straight here, and then I just press it. You're going to press with your hands, and we're done. Now all you need to do, I'm gonna use my bone folder here just to press it down really well. You don't have to go all the way down here. Let me show you. This can have a little bit of a space here. That's not a problem. It's just to make sure that this is quite thick, that it has space for that. So that's fine. If you want, you can add a little more here. See, there is a big space. You can add a little more of glue here and just pinch it in and hold it. I usually do that. I just kind of leave just the base here. There you go. So hold it in place. And now we're going to decorate it. We're going to decorate with these beautiful, I got these actually last year. These are leftovers from last year from Hobby Lobby. So there you are. I'm going to add some more bling. Let me see if I can find any. I like to use these little stars here, just to add more bling. Why not, right? One here. There you go. And now this is, let me tell you how long this is. 16 inches. And you're just going to, I'm going to actually put, now we're going to make sure to open this, and you're going to slide it down, all the way down. There you go. Fits perfectly, see? And what I do too is I either round the corners if you have corner rounders, but I have this one that does 3 different things. I'm just gonna choose one, and I'm gonna do that. So all these details make a difference. Look at that. So yeah, so this one is really nice because it gives you 3 options. So I'm just gonna go 3. I think I'll go one more, and we're going to tie a knot, not a knot. I'm going to tie a bow, and we're done. This is quick, so quick to make, and if you mass produce it, make sure to just do all the steps one by one and repeat them. Like if you cut the papers first and then you glue them and then you decorate them, it makes it go faster. So look at that, very traditional colors, very quick to make, and a great little gift just to say I thought of you, or for your stockings. Let me zoom out. And there you are. We have our new project. Very quick to make, isn't it? I love it. So thank you so much, and keep watching my series because I still have a few projects for you for Christmas as a gift or a craft fair item. So thank you, and have a great day.